Today I'm going to show you how to fold perfectly Marie Kondoed sweaters. So it's going to be very similar to the last exercise we did from my other videos. You're going to need a template, but instead of making it smaller and compact and skinny, have a bigger blown up version. So let me go ahead and show you. So just lay it down. Smooth it out. And then bring the sleeves in. And fold in the middle. It's easier with cardigans at least, because you know where exactly the middle part is, where the zipper is. And then take this as a guide. So we'll fold it right there. And for these, it will stand up. So just like that, you can add it. This is how you do perfectly uniform folds for the sweater. This one is a waterfall cardigan, or I guess it just doesn't have buttons. So we'll go ahead and lay it out. And then actually for this one, since it's bigger and I want a bigger rectangle, we're gonna go ahead and use a bigger version of this. So let me move this aside. I'm just going to go ahead and use these as a guide. So pretend this is my rectangle. So there's my long rectangle. And I'm going to put my cardigan down. Smooth that out. And we're going to do exactly the same thing. You want to transform this into a rectangle. So go ahead and put the sleeves inwards. I like to just make an X. So you can already see the rectangles taking shape. And then fold this in the middle. Again, here's the surface area, so all the way to the edge. Smooth that out. We'll do the same thing to the other side. So now we have a rectangle. Let me just move it upwards a little. So here's our little rectangle. And then we'll go ahead and fold it. You could just pick how wide you want it, so just be consistent. So maybe this will be the height of all my irregular sweaters. So I'll just use this as a guide for every single sweater I use, so it's going to be this height. And then we'll go ahead and make it stand. Let's see if it'll stand. There it goes. So that is how you fold an irregular item. And then this is the surface area you're going to be looking at when you store it upright. So for this is how wide you want the item. So make sure your rectangle is the width and then pick for height. Once you decide it, just make it uniform for all your pieces. So there you have it. That is how you fold irregular items. Just kind of make it into a rectangle. If you like that, hit the subscribe button for more. I make content about minimalism and lifestyle videos, so hope you enjoy.